Alright, and hello and welcome to Dusty's Detours. Today I'm going to head to a town. Well, I'm going to head to a town, but I'm going to just kind of make my own way there. I don't really have a direction, but I kind of know where it is. But I've been there once before, and it has canal boats, and I didn't expect to find canal boats here in the Czech Republic, so it reminded me a lot like, you know, Maidenhead, Henley-on-Thames, Uxbridge, that kind of place, and it was quite nice. Obviously nowhere near the same, but it has a little bit of similarity, and I'll talk to you about that when I get there. But for now, I'm going to take some busier roads to get there, because in the past videos I've been going on roads there's not many cars, and as you can see from this video there's a lot more cars. So I'm going to come off here. Alright. So what I'll do is, as always, I'll put a little bit of information up on the screen so you know where I am. If you live in this part of the world and you haven't quite ventured down to this area, you'll know where you can find these roads. But again, nice road surface. Nice views. A lot of farming at the moment. I've got to be careful of the tractors and the dirty roads. A little bit breezy, which is nice. At the moment it's 28 degrees. I think if you sit in the sun too long, it gets a bit hot. Again, it's a Friday afternoon. Most people finish work 3 or 4 o'clock most days. I was stuck in a little bit of traffic earlier, and I realised the other bikers in the traffic jam don't just drive past all the vehicles like we do in the UK. They sat in the traffic, and I had to sit in the traffic, so I didn't want to be unpopular, and it was quite difficult to sit there in the traffic, I've got to say, but I don't know whether that's the law here. I need to look into it, because I don't often go in the busy roads, so I don't often go in the traffic. First time I've actually been stuck in traffic, and I didn't like the whole idea of sitting there. It got a bit hot. So maybe someone can tell me, but I'll give it a Google when I get back. Or is it a Google AI, whatever they call it now? It'll tell me. Lots of hay bales. Yeah, the town I'm heading for, I've completely forgot the name, so I'm going to just put it up on the screen here. And it has a canal that was built for the Baťa Shoe Company back in the 1930s, so it's far newer than a British canal, but it was built for the purpose for industry, just like they did back in the UK, back in the Industrial Revolution. But this canal is far more recent, and it's far more regional, where this just serves one region. where the ones in the UK, the canals, you know, there's a network across the country really. But here's just one region just used for the Baťa company. It's no longer used for that now. It's used for leisure. Really nice, just cruising up and down the canals. And I do think it was, from what I read, it fell into disrepair, just like lots of the British canals. Yeah, so the local people started getting together and started doing the canals up, making them nice, making some docks so you can stop in there in your little boat and grab a coffee or stay the night. So I'll show you all that. I'll show you. I was quite impressed by it. It's nowhere near the same kind of scale as Uxbridge or, you know, Henley-on-Thames and all those river networks and canal networks that are local to me. Well, it was nice to see. Little flavour of home. Pozar School. Scholar. Normally when I'm riding the bike around, I'm just talking in my head. It's far more difficult to talk out loud, but what it does do, hang about. What it does do, it's better for my Czech to talk out loud when I see things. I edit most of that out because it's so badly pronounced. So another little town, nice, you know, nice little town. As I said before, you'll notice all very similar. All the properties are quite close to the road, but they all seem to have a nice big back garden anyway, big garden allotments. I do have to watch my speed because I do seem to be going, I'm doing 52 at the moment. That's fine. So this is the town. Some old castle wall. Very nice town, this one. And the second canal we're going to visit today is going to be down that road there. But I'm going to go to another canal just a bit further up. Which has an actual lock system like you see back in the UK. I don't know how true this is, but apparently Da Vinci invented that, which I find strange. But he invented a lot of things, so I don't think it's that strange. So it's down here. So there you go. And you wouldn't think so. I'm riding down this road the first time we came, thinking there's nothing down here. Very nice old traditional Moravian houses. Some of them could do with a bit of work. Like that one. A lot of cyclists around here as well. And then this is the canal itself. Where I guess in England the canal's not so wide, so the boats are narrower. Yeah, just like little cruisers. Very pleasant thing to do. Very familiar sight. Just waiting on the lock to open. I'm coming in. Floating cafe. Yeah, cafes, restaurants. bracelet, everything on the bike. So we're back into this town. Forgive me, I've forgotten the name of it. Nice entrance. I'm going to go to this other canal, which it's a bit different to where we've just been. They have like also a historic area of how Czech people used to live back in the day. I just had a bottle of Kafola. Have you ever in the Czech Republic? I recommend getting a bottle of Kafola. It's the kind of local drink of choice. I suppose a bit like you're in Scotland and you have iron brew. Here is Kafola. Very nice actually. And you also have another cola called Royal Crown. I think I prefer the Kafola. Nice little town. Looks like there's going to be a concert soon, or there has been. Going to pop in here. I think this is it. Okay. I'm going to go a different way back to the way I came. Again, the bike's there. Again, I'm just going to do it for memory. Canal interesting. I certainly was surprised.
Ráno kreslí světlo na silnici, město pomalu zůstává za mnou. Motor zpívá svoji starou píseň, dneska nevím, kam mě cesty zavedou. Pole mizí někde za obzorem, vítr píše příběh do mých dní. Žádný spěch a žádný plán, jenom cesta přede mnou. zastavit. Tak mě vezmi cesto dál, každá zatáčka má vlastní příběh. A když nevím, kam dnes mířím, možná právě proto jedu dál.
So here I'm going onto a motorway, and what you'll find here in the Czech Republic is motorcycles are exempt. It's a brand new motorway, brand new, and motorbikes are exempt from using it. They don't have to pay a toll, they don't have to buy a vignette. This is the first time I've been on it, so let's see what it's like.
Tak mě vezmi cesto dál, přes Moravu, přes kopce a stráně, dokud slunce svítí nad krajinou. Nechci ještě zastavit. Tak mě vezmi cesto dál, každá zatáčka má vlastní příběh. A když nevím, kam dnes mířím, možná právě proto jedu dál. Jedu dál, jen já cesta. Jedu dál.
Okay, so this is the last little village I'm going to go through before I reach home and call it a day. The road I've just been on is a very busy road, fast road. Takes you through the border of Slovakia. It's Friday night or late Friday afternoon. Everyone's desperate to get home. So I thought I would get onto the back road. Anyway, so I'm coming to the end of the ride. I really do appreciate you watching Dusty's Detours, and you can give me a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Goodbye.